Welcome to the third lesson of the chemical changes topic. In this topic, the key questions are 1. What are pH and pH scale? 2. What is titration? Key terms that you need to be familiar with: pH, acidic, basic, neutral, titration. In today's lesson, we will talk about the pH scale and titration. The strengths of acids can be quantified on a scale that helps us to directly compare different acids and to make conclusions from their properties. Task. Now, please pause the video and think about how to describe the strengths of acids and bases. Extension. How can you describe the pH scale mathematically? Now let's discuss these in detail. The acidic strength is characterized by the pH value. The pH scale runs from 0 to 14, and pH equals 7 is the value of a neutral substance that can equally act as a base or acid, like water. Substances with pH equals 0 to 7 values are acids, and those with pH equals 7 to 14 are bases. The smaller the pH, the weaker the acid is, and the larger the pH, the stronger the base is. The H-positive concentration in an aqueous environment can change many orders of magnitude. This is why a logarithmic scale was introduced to describe the wide range of H-positive concentrations. Titration is a process when the concentration of an unknown acid or alkali is determined. Task. Now please pause the video and think about how to determine the concentration of an unknown acid by titration. Hint. Burette is used to measure the volume of the substance that is neutralizing the acid. Extension. How do you know when the reaction has come to an end? Now let's discuss these in detail. If we need to determine the concentration of an unknown acid, we need to measure a certain volume of it, and we need to have an alkali with a known concentration. This is put into the burette. Certain volume of alkali is needed to complete the neutralization reaction. The N equals CV formula, N number of moles, C concentration, V volume, helps us to find the number of moles in the volume of acid. Then its concentration can be calculated by C equals N over V. The end point is indicated with special chemicals called indicators that at neutral pH change colour.